Hello, this is Andreas, and today I'll be introducing drafts in Framer. Drafts will help larger teams that frequently update their site. Drafts are visible in the preview and editor, but won't be published. This will prevent unfinished work from going live unintentionally. Every time you create a new page, it will be saved as draft by default. If you're done designing your page, you can either unmark it as draft, or you can click Publish and it will ask you to publish this page. Drafts are also supported for CMS items. When you add a new item, it will be saved as draft by default. And when you're done, you can undraft an item by right-clicking it, pressing Publish, or drag and drop the item into the All section. Last up is localization. When you add a new locale, it will show up as draft by default. Again, you can right-click a locale to undraft it, or click Publish and will ask you to publish your locale. If you don't want new content to be saved as draft by default, you can turn off this behavior in your preferences. The next time you'll add a page, it will not show up as draft anymore. To make use of drafts, make sure to upgrade your workspace to a Pro or Enterprise plan. That's it, thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.